In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sitemap in Google Sites. A sitemap helps visitors quickly understand the structure of your site and find what they need. It can also give your site a more polished, organized feel. In Google Sites, you can either display an existing sitemap hosted somewhere else, or build a clean page list that updates as your site grows. Let's walk through both options so you can pick the one that fits your setup. Start by opening your Google site and navigating to the page where you want the sitemap to appear. This could be your homepage, a dedicated sitemap page, or a footer page. Think about where your visitors are most likely to look for navigation help. If you're using a section-based layout, leaving a full-width area for the sitemap usually improves readability. Next, go to the Insert menu and choose Embed. The Embed tool lets you display content that lives at a URL. If you already have a sitemap hosted elsewhere, such as an XML file generated by your CMS or a site platform, paste that URL into the URL tab. Many sites use a standard address like yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml, but use whatever URL your site provides. After pasting, use the preview to make sure it renders in a way that's readable for visitors. Some XML files display as raw code, which can be hard to scan. If the preview looks cluttered or blocked by the site's security rules, no problem. Use the manual method instead. For a built-in, visitor-friendly alternative, create a page list. In the Insert panel, choose Page List, then pick the scope you want, your entire site or a specific section. The page list automatically pulls your site's pages and organizes them as links, and it updates when you add, remove, or reorder pages. You can place it anywhere on the page, adjust the width to match your layout, and add a short intro sentence above it so visitors know what they're looking at. If your site has many pages, consider breaking the list into sections or placing multiple page lists for different categories to keep things scannable. Before you move on, give the sitemap a quick visual check. Make sure headings, spacing, and link styles are easy to read and that the sitemap doesn't get buried below other content. A clear title like sitemap or site directory helps visitors orient themselves immediately. That's it. You can either embed an external sitemap URL or build a dynamic page list right inside Google Sites. Choose the approach that's most readable for your audience and keep it consistent with the rest of your site's design.